turn it off. The camera was going dead, but back with another one. But figured I'd show you. Cool thing. Notice all the shadows, how they look? Because of the sun here. I figured I'd show you guys this. Look at that. So you don't really always have to look up to see the eclipse. You can see it in the shadows here. Check that out. What do you guys think of that? Yeah, see? And it's gotten noticeably darker since when I streamed a little bit ago. Look, it looks like it looks like it's like 7 p.m. almost. At least that's what 7 p.m. looks like here. But it's only 2:59, so 4 minutes the eclipse should peak. Now I'm gonna get you guys connected back up with the door flap here, so that you can watch the eclipse live. That's what this stream is for. Sit this guy here, and alright, now let's get this set up here. We're gonna be watching the eclipse. Yeah, like I said, the shadows. Look at all the shadows. How they're like crescent shaped because of the eclipse. Yeah, if you guys are outside looking at the eclipse now, look at some of the shadows from the leaves. Yeah, look at all that. It's crazy. Yeah. This is what I'm seeing right now. Now, let's get us set up here. Alright. Well, I'm gonna get this set up for you guys so that you can watch the eclipse with me. Alright. Oh, 6 people watching. Hello. Here's an image of what I was seeing a minute ago, but this isn't live right now. I gotta reconnect. Let's see if it's turning on. Alright, green light. That means it's turning on. Alright, we're gonna be watching the eclipse here. Now, let's connect to it. I'm gonna move you guys in the shade here with the crescent shadows everywhere so that you can see easily. But yeah, I got my filter here set up now. Alright. Wait, rotate you guys. I'm trying to give you guys the best angle possible because viewing a screen through another screen pretty difficult, but don't worry, I got you. Alright, here we go. I have my filter on, so look, you see the sun there. Now I'm gonna move towards that. Alright, here we go. Move. Kaboom. Alright, it should focus here in a second. Man, look at that. Look. Alright, now let me turn this speed down here so I don't just launch it off course. But yeah, here we are. Now let me turn this brightness down for you so you guys can get a really good look. There we go. Look at that. And that's a live view through this guy here, door flap. Be sure to check it out. Now, so you can see the moon here. And I'm gonna see if I can focus it a little better so we can see the ridges on the moon. All the mountains. I had it to where we were able to see it a minute ago. I forgot how to talk. I don't know if you guys noticed. I don't know how to talk anymore. But look at the crescent shadows. They're getting like more and more like prominent now. You can see all the crescent shadows. Yeah, I recently learned how to speak gibberish, as you could tell a minute ago. Yabba dabba doo. Alright, there we go. Yeah, I had to readjust it because tree. Let's see. See if I can zoom in on it here. There we go. Now, turn that down a little more. Let's see if we can see sunspots. So I had some sunspots in frame a minute ago. You can kind of see the clouds move over the sun there. There we go. Sorry the quality's not too good because now I'm using a phone here to look at this. Yeah, if you wonder why the phone looks a bit different in the reflection, the other camera died. The other phone in the house, so I'm using another phone. Yeah, here we are at the eclipse. There's a sunspot. Yeah, yeah, I don't know if you guys are noticing, it's starting to get kind of dark out here now. My mom's out here. Mom, do you notice all the crescent shadows on the ground?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought that was pretty cool.
It's about totality for us right now.
Yeah, right now this is in southeastern U.S. This is about as good as we're gonna get with the eclipse here. If you're at hi from Turkey. Hello. Yeah, if you're a little north, like mid U.S., like, you know, across the, I think Texas to Maine is about the line of where you're gonna see totality. If you're in that area, then you should be able to see the total eclipse. And up north right now, there's a couple other live streams. It was getting really dark out, and sorry you guys can't see it, but actually you can a little bit through the trees there. You can see there's the shadow of the moon over there a little bit through the trees. You can see it's lighter up here, but over there it gets darker in the sky. And here's the moon. Whoa, look at the leaf shadows. Come on. So there's the eclipse. Let's see if I can get you guys a better view of these shadows. Look, you can see they're like all crescent shaped right now because of the eclipse. A lot of miniature solar eclipse on the ground from what it looks like. But well, let me readjust this a little bit better. Alright. There we are. Yeah, a little bit ago, my previous stream that I was doing before the camera died, I was trying to see if I could get the glasses to work on the phone, but low power mode. The battery went down quick. It wasn't low a minute ago, so I probably don't have a lot more time on it. But yeah, a little while ago I tried to get the glasses over the phone camera here, and that didn't work too well. It was like a fuzzy orange dot, and that was it. There's a sunspot. I think here's a couple other sunspots here. Oh wait, no. What sunspots? It looks like a little bit of sand blue on the screen. This, as you can see, that isn't sand though. That's a sunspot. You can kind of see some of the mountains on the moon. Let me get this. These cameras are not a big fan of focusing. Ant, get out of here. We don't want you here. I think the ant's bullying me right now. Yeah, go under there. Just please don't go inside the keyboard. I don't want ants in the keyboard. There it is. I got a couple pictures through that guy over there, so I'll be sure to post those to YouTube later. Yeah, I think it just passed totality a little bit ago. My friend's being a nuisance in the chat right now. The sun and the moon are moving really quick. Yeah, that's my friend. He's my neighbor there. And as he says, we're in America. Yes, for real. I keep getting notifications for solar eclipse April 8th. I think I know. Yeah, the phone. Well, I'm not getting any more now. But if I were to show the reflection of the phone here, turn the camera around, then you'd be able to see it. You guys really neighbors? Yeah, we're neighbors. Don't worry, I'll go over there in a little bit and make him stop being a nuisance. I might come over if my mom lets me. Okay. Yes, he'll come over to my house soon, and then you guys will be relieved that he won't be messing with everybody in the chat anymore. It looks like we passed totality a little bit ago, so now the moon's starting to move away from the sun a little bit. But you still got pretty good views of sunspots. There's other sunspots that I was viewing earlier in the previous live stream, but yeah, there's I think another one like right here, and there's a couple tiny ones like down at the bottom here. I don't know. Those might have been sunspots. The ones at the bottom were iffy. I couldn't tell if they were sunspots or just like dead pixels or something. But alright, gotta go. I'll be back in the chat getting people active also. Anything he says about it is true. Okay. Oh, it's night, you guys? That's okay. Good night. Yeah, I was kind of confused for a second. Yeah, I didn't realize it was night over there. Yeah, I'll continue streaming about the eclipse. If you'd like to, in the morning, you can review the video. Because I'm going to try and get some more images soon, so see ya. I did time-lapse a little bit ago, guys. Here it is. It's a little bit wobbly because I had it on the table a minute ago, and you can see the tree going by. You can see there's the other sunspot I was talking about right there. It's a pretty big sunspot. And maybe tomorrow or something, if you guys would like me to, I'll be sure to do another stream, and I could do just, you know, solar imagery. The moon's starting to go up towards the top of the screen now, it looks like. I think the moon's going at an angle this way. It's moving quick. If I were to zoom in, if you guys watch, you can see the movement as it's moving across the screen slightly. Well, let me try and sit it down. You could see the moon going off screen there. It's going pretty quick. Oh, where'd it go? Hold on. Hold on, guys, I lost it. There it is. There we are. There's solar eclipse. It's bright. Yeah, that was not really a smart idea. I don't know why I did that. I was looking at the tricks. It looked like the tree was blocking me, but I turned my head slightly. The leaves moved, and the sun about blinded me. But even though the moon's covering it, it'll still blind you. There's all crescent-shaped shadows. You could see some a little bit right here by the ants. Yeah, I think it's basically past totality now, so it should start moving on now. Okay, so if you guys would like to check it out for yourself, it's the Dwarf 2 Dwarf Lab. Be sure to check them out, they're pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool. This camera's pretty tiny, and it's able to catch stuff like this. And just real quick to show you that this is actually the camera. Look, when I move it around here, well, if it lets me, as you can see it moving there. In real life, when I move the joystick, you can see it moving. Now, let me get it back in frame here. There we go. There. Now I'll turn the speed back down on it. Just to show you how tiny this thing is. Yeah, there's it compared to my hand. What is your current location? I can't exactly say that, but I'll just say Southeast US. Yeah, thanks. Say, I am great, please. I am great. You're great. I don't know who you mean. Just a little bit. Let's see if I can. Thing's not really wanting to cooperate that much with me right now. I'm trying to readjust it. I think the moon's covering up all the sunspots now. Try and get, because the screen on this is really reflective, I'm trying to get it to where you guys can see the sun better. Yeah, it looks like the camera's fixing to run out of batteries. So yeah, I'll probably end the stream here, guys. I'll be sure to see y'all later, and probably will do another stream soon where I do. Actually, if anyone's still on the stream now, if you guys think I should do more like at night astrophotography live streams, or should I do more solar photography? It's up to you. You guys can let me know in the comments a little later. Kind of reminds me, I created a mirror reflection of an eclipse sun when I was your age in 1995. That's pretty cool. I'm 14. The actual dwarf out there is at 60% battery, but the thing that's showing the view from the dwarf lab is only at 5. So I don't really have a whole lot of time, but I guess once that starts to get lower, then I'll probably head out. And it looks like the moon's Yeah, yeah, it's 3:18. It peaked at I think it was 3:03 here. So if you guys like to, little lady, you can revert back to about what the time was 15 minutes ago, and you should be able to give you what the eclipse maxed out here like. I heard something, it might be an experiment I might try out in another video, but if you take your telescope, point it at the sun, don't look through it when it's pointed at the sun if you don't have any filters on it. That's a terrible idea. But you point at the sun, you can have, like, you know, a projection screen, like that by where the lens is, the eyepiece, and if you get it right, it'll project an image of the sun. But I don't know if there's like a polarizer or something you might need for something like that, but I figured I might try that in another video. The sun and the moon are going across the sky quick. I keep having to readjust it every little bit. It'd be funny if my friend said he might could hear all of it if he just randomly walked behind me or something. Yeah, it looks like the moon, at least for my location. For other places, like maybe northeast of where I am, it's probably still moving into totality, but or down south here, it's moving away. So I might end soon. Oh, thank you for the video. It's 1 a.m. in South India. Gotta get some sleep. Man, it's 1 a.m. That's yeah, get some sleep. I don't think it's really good to stay up till 1 a.m. I usually fall asleep fairly quick. Hello. Hello, Dennis. How much battery have I got on this? Look, it's barely holding on right now. This doesn't have much time left. Kiruba Sandkar. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Thanks for subscribing. Oh, and thumbs up. I don't know if you can see it in the reflection. Thumbs up. Actually, there's 2 thumbs up emojis, so I'll do 2 thumbs up. There we go. And it's already been 20 minutes. I think we're around 24 minutes now. Yeah, I'm 2%. I'm gonna have to end this stream here, guys. Thank you all for joining in, and I'll be sure to see you guys in the next video. Bye, everybody. Hold on. See ya.